Good morning, class. Today's date is 25th August 2020, and I welcome all of you to my class. Now, we know that in our previous class, we have started a new lesson which is day and night. So, we have discussed about what is day and what is night. So, what is day? During the daytime, we can see the sun. The sun shines very brightly, and also the day is very warm. And the day has three parts: morning, then afternoon, and then we have the evening. So, this is all about day. And at night, what do we see? At night, we can see the moon and the stars, and also the sky is dark. And also there is one thing, that is that as soon as it becomes dark and the moon comes out as well as its stars, what do? We switch on the lights. So to remove the darkness, we switch on the lights so that we can see everything. So today we will be discussing what we do during the daytime. That means till morning to evening, what do we do? Especially the children. Let us read it out. So as soon as the sun rises in the morning, we wake up from our bed, right? We wake up from our bed. And then how does the sky look when how does the sky look then? So when you wake up in the early morning, you can see that the sky looks orange red. During the early time of the morning, you can see that the sky is orange red, and this is because of the sunrise. And we all know that during the morning the sun rises from the east, and that's why the sky looks orange. That is the beginning of the sun, as well as for us, why as soon as the sun rises, we also get up from the bed. Then after that, we get ready for the school, and then we go to school. And what do you do at school? You play and study in school, right? And then when the school finishes, you come back home and it is afternoon. And at afternoon, what do? You have the lunch time. The lunch time, you eat your lunch. Then we can find the sun above us in the sky. Then it is warm outside. So during the afternoon, it is very hot. Why? Because the sun is at the top of us and it shines very brightly. That's why it is very warm and hot outside, and most of the time we feel like we should stay inside during the afternoon. And when the afternoon gets over, what comes? The evening comes, and most of the children love the evening time. Why? Because during the evening you play with your friends, or you play with your family members. So do you play in the evening? Obviously we play, right? How does the sky look in the evening? The sky looks orange red. Now remember, the sky looks orange when it sun rises and also when the sun sets. This is because of the sunset. Similar color of the sky is seen during sunrise too. So you have to remember that during sunrise and sunset, the color of the sky is very similar, that is orange red. Okay, and in the evening, obviously you play. Then after sunset, what? The dark comes, that is the night begins, right? After sunset, it becomes dark and the night begins. At night, what do? We eat our dinner and then go to bed. So As soon as the night comes, we switch on the lights, we do our daily work, and then we have our dinner, and then we go to the bed. So this is the daily activity of a day till night. Okay, what do we do as soon as the sun rise? As soon as the sun rise, the sky looks orange red, and then we wake up and go to school. We wake up, get ready, and go to school. Then at school we used to play and study, and then the afternoon comes when we have our lunch time, and during the afternoon the sun shines very bright because it is at the top of our head, and also it is very hot during the afternoon. And then comes the evening, and during the evening we used to play. And as soon as the sun sets, the sky, the color of the sky is again orange red. And then last, after sunset it becomes dark, we switch on the lights and the night begins. So at night what do? We eat our dinner and then go to bed for sleep. Okay, so this is the activities from morning till night. I hope you have understood it because it is very similar to our daily life. Now we have a question here below. Train my brain. How does the sky look during sunrise? The sky look orange red during sunrise. Then when do we sleep? We sleep at night. So these questions I will be giving in the Google Classroom. Go through it. So here I am in my class. Go through the lesson. It's very beautiful. So that's it for today. Thank you.